George Herbert Mead, 1863-1931. Sociological George Herbert Mead claims that the self is not there at birth. This means that the self is not based on inherited traits and other biological factors. Rather, the self is developed over time from social experience and activities. The biological self is not there. It's not the self. Mead claims that the self is something which has a development. It is not initially there at birth, but arises in the process of social experience and activities that is developed in the given. You know guys that kita, bisan ako, kita, dili ingon na kabalo na ta kung kinsa ta. Sa panganak pa lang nato, wala ta kabalo kung kinsa ta, kung unsa tong makaya. And also, di na to siya makuan kung kanang pareanang sa sports na to. Wala na siya ingon na inheritance na maayo ka na kay mo papa maayo sa basketball, dili nga na mo nagingon ni George Herbert na wala dira sa pagsilang sa moha, kundili makuha na nimo siya by experience. And also na kana pong experience nimo mas magain na nimo mayo, then ikaw man makakinabang anak kay ikaw ang imong ang una gana mong body is magkausap yung body para sa kuha payat ko sa una, then nag-workout ko, and then nag-taekwondo, then karon okay na ko lawas dako na, and dili lang sa ingon na kanang inheritance wala, pero ana sa kung base nila kay kanang mga high blood kay usay daw na din inheritance, pero sa ako di kumutuwa na kay sa kanang high blood is napo na sa pagkaon na to. Depende na sa tuwa guys kung unsa ta magdala sa atong sarili, kay kung healthy living ka, healthy ka, pero wala kay pakisay mong wala kay mo individual is a result of the relations to the process as a whole and to other individual within the interacting with others opinions about the self, and it is developed with social experience. So mo tong gingon sa inyo na ma-develop na ninyo kanang panghalubilo na to sa isa't isa through experience, not the kanang pagsilang na to, wala na siya atong sa experience, sa pag-experience na to na kanang mag-interact sa mga tao, kay kung tayo dili ta mag-interact sa tao then ulawon ta, so di ta makahalubilo og lain tao, di ta maka-friend kay ngano ulawon ta na siya. Other people play a significant role in how we view ourselves. Mead claims, however, that the influence is restricted only to a significant other and at certain period. The significant other are the people who play important role in the life of a person, such as parents, teachers, friend. Mead further explained that the influence of the significant others takes place only at certain period in our life. For instance, younger children do not really care about what other people think of them. They are focused in their own world. But as children grow up and get more socialized, their belief about how other people perceive them becomes important. They gain a new understanding of society. The generalized other, they act based on personal belief, but also on what society experience I expect of them. You know guys, ako ang kwan sa ako lang is kanang mas kwan magod kanang pareha ng imong papagi tudloan kaniya sa pagrespeto, paggalang sa mga matatanda. Then ang kanang bata diyan niya makakwan ma-adapt na niya ba kasi mo nga na magkwan sa tao kung ay mabisita, magbigay galang, mag-amen muna siyang gikuan po ni George Halbert. Made 1967 talks about our personal as the I and the me. The I is the natural essential aspect of the self. The me is the socialized me, or the cultured self. Made claims when there is a predominance of the me and the personality. We speak of a person as conventional individual. His idea are exactly the same as those of his neighbors. He is hardly more than me under the circumstances. The shallow, brittle, and conformist kind of personality. That is a personal which is concern for what people think. The alternative was the person who has a definite personality, or replies to the organization attitude in a way that makes a significant difference, which such a person, the I, is the most important phase of the experience. Kabalo mo ng anong importante kang I, kay di mo yung ingon siya na dili niyo makuha na sa pag-anak sa inyo wala dara na kung unsa ta o kinsa ta sa pag-anak pa lang wala din na to makuha dara kung kinsa ta o unsa ta o unsay makaya na to na buhaton. Managingon nila na mingon sila na push your limit, di ba? Pero sa bata ta wala man tayo gikuan tayo una ang atuwa lang is magdula ta magkwanta ka ng naman tayo kuan good sa bata pa ta natay atong kaugalingong mundo ba kung sa kuan pa, and then kita ma-realize na nato na is mutungtong ta sa kanang legal age, or depende kay usahay pod na po'y tao na wa pala legal age na pero naka-realize na sila na nga ayan na kay napoy uban na wala lang po sila, pero pinaka-importante jud ang I sa to I ang importante mo na siya ang kuan mo good sa kanang mag-experience ta ba kanang experience na to good mas mo na siya yung knowledgeable ka pero wala ka experience. Unsa may pulo sa imo knowledgeable ka kung wala ka experience, di ba? Mas nice kung kananduha na ka. Pero ha. Ako ang classmate. Siya IT na siya karon. Then ako lang kanang school lang. Pero ang bulo mo guys, siya naman siya na hands-on naman sa based on computer. Then di na gina ko siya makaya, pero og mag hands-on pag ko makaya na ako na.